Ooh, my eye, my eye. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and do our eyelashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little spoolie. I'm just gonna brush through them. Okay, I can't see in this mirror. Okay, I can't know. So I'm just gonna brush them out. Let me get closer. Okay, that's the closest y'all getting now. Okay, I'm not a professional doing this, so y'all do this at your own risk. So I do take the bond. I take the bond and I go right under where I'm going to apply. So I blinked. And I brush that all the way through. Just gonna take my spoolie. Let me show you. I'm just gonna take my spoolie, and here are the eyelashes. I'm gonna take my eyelash glue, and I'm just gonna put some right here. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and start, of course, with my higher number. This is 16. I'm trying to record and show y'all. Okay, so this is how I have it. Like that. Then I just dip it in here. Dip it in here. And get the residue off. And then I just go under. Sorry y'all, I'm closer to the mirror. I just go under. Just like that. So y'all can watch me as I do this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, that's 14. How many 14s? Okay, and let's try since we're getting to the inner, I don't like my eyelashes too close to the inner. That's a 10. They look real natural. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next eye. Go in with the bond. I've been doing this for like a month or two now, And I still have eyelashes, so I don't know if they're saying like the clusters take your eyelashes out, but I don't wear mine that long or they fall out. So I think this is completely okay. So that's 3 16s. Then we're gonna do a 14. Sixteen, 16, 16, 14. What did I do? A 10? Ooh, my eye, my eye. Okay, y'all, this is how the eyes are looking. Let me show y'all with my eyes closed. Okay, this is just like my everyday quick eyelash. I keep these on for like a week or two. Well, not even a week, like a week and a half. Or whenever they start falling out, I redo them. And that's how I do my eyelashes.